Flip Hacking Live, Orlando. Getting ready to kick off, get the day going. Let you guys get a look. But yeah, we got a guest speaker coming in this morning, 9 o'clock. Mystery guest speaker. And yeah, just getting sharpening the knife, getting everything put together with the business. I think the next thing that we're gonna hire in our business is gonna be disposition manager, just to handle all the closing transaction, getting that piece tightened up in the business, and continue just to grow. But I think that's the biggest thing with these networking events. I encourage everybody, if you're an entrepreneur, real estate investor, or whatever your business is, find a tribe, find a community that's like your own. People that's doing the same thing that you're doing, people that's motivated, that's trying to do the same thing that you're trying to do in life. And you can build together. And I think that's what it's all about when you go to like these events. The networking is extremely powerful. And you can be able to find people that you can build businesses with, that you can invest with, and that you can kind of can go to the next level with. So that's what it's all about. When you're looking at events like conferences, seminars, where that you can learn about different tactics that people are using, different opportunities that's out there that you can align yourself with other investors. Whereas that now you're in a position where you can level up, that you can increase the income that your business is generating. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Or you can lower your expenses. You can get things streamlined with your processes. So if you're able to do that, you're going to be in great shape, but you got to keep growing. It's the thing that you don't want to happen is this time next year, October 15th, 2023, that you're doing the same thing. You're in the same position that you was right now today. And only you can change that. So if you're serious about your business, you're serious about your dreams, you're serious about whatever it is that you're doing in life, then you got to take action. Whereas that a year from today, you're not in the same position, because that's a shame. And it shouldn't be that way. Roll Tide. We're not talking business all the time. We represent Alabama, Tennessee Hate Week. Roll Tide. We're going to roll in Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee today. Let's go. Alabama, stand up. We're about to do that, but we're working on the business all the way up until that time. I hate them on this. I'm actually be on the plane during the game, but it's all good. We got Wi-Fi on board, so we'll be able to keep the score. Hopefully, we watch it. We got TV, so we'll be good. But that's it. Yeah, y'all share. What are you doing in your business right now? What's the next metric that you're growing in your business that you're using, that you're gonna do? So share that with me. I want to hear other business owners what they're doing and opportunities that they're coming in with to level up their business in 2023. And so that's what it's all about. At the end of the day, is leveling up, being able to grow and continue just to grow day by day. Whereas that now you can become a better entrepreneur and a better person you need to be. Y'all have a blessed Saturday, and look forward to just connecting with you guys that's in the real estate space. Let's continue to build and continue to go. We're about to get ready to go out and get this thing started. So y'all be blessed.